Getting a new Social Security card after marriage is a straightforward process that requires some documentation and a visit to a Social Security office. To start, you will need to gather the necessary documents, which include your marriage certificate, proof of identity, and proof of citizenship. Your marriage certificate is typically provided by the county clerk's office where you were married, and proof of identity can be a driver's license or state ID. Proof of citizenship can be a birth certificate or passport. Once you have these documents, you can fill out the application for a new Social Security card, which is available on the Social Security Administration website or at a local Social Security office. The application will ask for your name, Social Security number, and other identifying information, as well as your marriage details. After completing the application, take it to a local Social Security office along with your supporting documents. The Social Security representative will review your application, verify your documents, and process your request. You will receive a receipt as proof that you have applied for a new Social Security card. In about 10 to 14 days, you will receive your new Social Security card in the mail. It is essential to update your Social Security record with your new name to ensure that your earnings are accurately reported and that you receive the correct benefits. Additionally, you may need to update your driver's license, passport, and other important documents to reflect your new name. It is also a good idea to notify your employer, bank, and other relevant parties of your name change to avoid any confusion or disruption in services. By following these steps, you can easily obtain a new Social Security card after marriage and ensure that your personal records are up to date. Remember to keep your new Social Security card in a safe place, as it is an important document that you will need for various purposes throughout your life.